So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can verify your age in Roblox without even the need of ID and just by using your face. And your age will be verified just by using your face. So for that purpose, you have to open up Google Chrome or Safari or any other browser that you use and go to roblox.com. And after that, you have to tap on continue in browser and it will ask you to log into your account. As I'm already logged in, that's why I'm gonna continue. So you have to tap on the settings gear available at the top right corner of the screen and hop into settings. After that, you have to scroll through this page and here under age group, as you can see that it is written 18 plus age checked. It means I've already verified my age using this option, but you will get an option to verify your age under this age group section. This will not ask for your government ID, just your camera will be opened. It will ask you to move your head in some directions and your age will be verified after completing some steps. But if you are not comfortable with this option and you want to verify your age just by using your government ID, you have to tap on this continue button available under use an ID to verify your birthday. So when you tap on continue, it will ask whether you want to verify your age using your national ID or passport. I'm going with national ID, tap on continue and tap on this allow button and your camera will be opened. Here you have to scan the front and back of your ID and your age will be automatically verified within some minutes. So that's how you verify your age, whether by using your face or your government ID. Thank you so much.